Greetings, friends. My name is John Gabriel, and this is the New Calculus channel. So this is a special announcement that I'm making today, as I'm going to be holding a meeting on the foundations of mathematics on Wednesday, the 13th of October. That's 2 days from now, at local Moscow time of 5 o'clock. So the different times, as you can see here, are Berlin time, London time, US Eastern time, and Australian time. The link to join on Google Chats is this link here. And I want to just notify you that entry will be denied after start time. So plan to join at least 20 minutes earlier than start time. And also note that the meeting will not be recorded. So I'm not actually going to upload a video of this meeting. Therefore, if you miss it, you've missed out. And I plan to speak about a lot of interesting things on the foundations of mathematics, the true foundations of mathematics. And I will show you in a lecture of roughly about an hour how the 5 requirements are derived from nothing. And I'll also offer you a free applet with the presentation that I'm going to be using, and you can do whatever you want to do with that. So all those of you who are interested, see you on Wednesday at 5 p.m. Moscow time. I'm John Gabriel, and this is the New Calculus channel. Goodbye.